Hello, Joe here, and today we're going to put together the Jonaxel bookshelf from IKEA. This bookshelf's good for a kid's playroom, for some toys, or for some small books. Let's get it put together. After we get it all out of the packaging, we want to lay out all of our hardware here. Note that you can use the instructions to really see which parts are which because it's to scale. So I like to lay them out on the book like this so I know what I have. First, we'll start off by taking one of the long side pieces and lining it up with one of the shelves. I like to start with the top and the bottom shelf just so I can balance it as I'm putting it together on its side. Then install the screw hand tight, maybe a little bit more loose, just so you can get the rest of them in without having any trouble. We won't tighten them right now until we get them all in on the side here, just so we can make sure it's all lined up. Notice that the two end pieces are different lengths, so that indicates the top and the bottom. Once you have the other side started, you can put the other side piece on the opposite end. Note that it's still loose. Now we can tighten it a little bit more just so we can flip it over and get the other legs on the other side. Now we can turn the shelf over and then put the legs in on this side. Remember to put all the screws in hand tight before tightening them all the way down. Once you have all the legs in, go one more time around, making sure that all of them are tight and they're straight, and then we can put it up on its upside down so we can install the legs that goes into this opening up here at the top. We'll take this piece here. Note that you probably won't be able to push this in with your hand, which is why it came with a special tool for you to hit it with a hammer. So what you'll do is you'll take this tool here, insert the legs on the leg posts here, and take this little gray piece. It's actually a protector that you use to strike it with a hammer, so you don't put a dent in it or anything. Alright, once we have that in, you can do the same procedure for the remaining posts. And there you have it. The Jonaxel shelf is put together, fully assembled. This is a little bit smaller of a shelf. I probably wouldn't recommend it going too heavy on what you put on there, but it's great for some toys, some little books. If you learn anything or found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and I look forward to making more videos like this in the future.